Okay, you can see Geltron is rolling out coils. He's not extruding them because extruders tend to clog. That's the main problem with 3D printers. So the model 3000 that I've created eliminates that problem. You can see his manual dexterity is quite acute. Boop, 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 pop, beep, 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 beep. That's Geltron processing information constantly. He talks in a series of beeps and boops and bops. Kind of hard to understand sometimes, but once you get used to it, it's quite endearing actually just listening to his beeps and bops and boops. But I can leave him alone. He can work for hours upon end. He's fueled by Instagram likes and comments. Pretty much thinks that equates to love. And I think he might be onto something.